The mangroves are real climate superheroes. We need to see restoration at scale. Mangroves represent a group of plant species uniquely adapted to survive in the challenging intertidal zones of coastal areas, where they face the constant ebb and flow of salt water. Mangroves exhibit remarkable features, such as stilt roots and pneumatophores, which help them to thrive in waterlogged soils by facilitating gas exchange and providing stability above the water level. These root systems not only support the plants themselves, but also play a significant role in coastal ecosystem stabilization by trapping sediment and reducing erosion. Mangrove ecosystems are biodiverse and provide critical services, including serving as nursery grounds for various marine species, offering roosting and nesting sites for birds, and contributing to carbon sequestration. Despite their ecological significance and the benefits they offer, mangroves are threatened by human activities, such as coastal development, aquaculture, and the over-exploitation of their resources. These pressures have led to significant mangrove habitat losses worldwide, with about 35% of mangrove forests disappearing in recent decades. The degradation of mangrove ecosystems has dire consequences, including increased coastal erosion, reduced water quality, and the decline of fisheries, making coastal communities more vulnerable to natural disasters. The Blue Carbon Mangrove Initiative is part of a nationwide effort to plant 1 million mangrove trees by 2030 across the western province of Sierra Leone. Blue carbon mangrove restoration projects will demonstrate the potential for recovering degraded habitats and the associated benefits. However, the effectiveness of these efforts depends on several factors, including the selection of suitable restoration sites and community involvement, particularly in the coastal region alongside the Samu chiefdom in Cambia district. There are about 147,000 square kilometers of mangroves left in the world, but they have been under heavy historical pressure over the years. We really wanted to work with colleagues in the region to get that knowledge and support out to the ground level in the most biodiversity-rich places of the world. Our Mangroves Initiative seeks to address this threat by partnering with local communities and organizations to plant and protect mangrove trees. The program will be supported by a range of potential partners, including private companies and local NGOs, and is aligned with the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. Mangroves are a natural solution to climate change. These coastal ecosystems remove carbon from the atmosphere, storing it in plants and sediment, where it is known as blue carbon. These are some of the most carbon-rich ecosystems on Earth. Mangroves also protect coastlines from storm surge, provide food for communities, and remove vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the air. Blue Carbon is seeking support to create a mangrove blue carbon pilot in Sierra Leone. Focused on long-term conservation and management, the pilot will monetize these ecosystems through selling these carbon credits on the international carbon market. This will unlock mangrove blue carbon as an impact financing opportunity that benefits coastal communities and supports natural solutions to the climate crisis.